Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to allow or run extensions in Google Chrome's Incognito mode. So by default extensions are generally disabled unless you choose to enable them when you launch into Incognito mode. The reasoning being that you're trying to stay more private, and a lot of times these extensions do track data and they do save some of the information about sites you visit and whatnot. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to allow certain extensions by your choosing to run in incognito mode. So first thing you want to do is just go ahead and open up a normal Google Chrome web browsing session. So do not open up Google Chrome in incognito mode. Just want to open up in the normal operating environment. And you want to head over to the top right corner of the Google Chrome web browser for the three vertical dotted icon. Left click on that, and then left click on More Tools, and then left click on Extensions. So whatever extension you want to allow in incognito mode, you want to just left click on the details button that corresponds to that selection. And then where it says allow in incognito, it should be grayed out by default. There should be a little oval in here. Just click inside of it one time to turn it into the on position, so it should be blue when you're done. And once you're done with that, just close out of here, open up incognito mode, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.